Route 6A and B, inbound from the Walmart stop to the Blake Transit Center. Started at the Walmart stop on Ellsworth. This is the inbound 6A and 6B from the Walmart stop to the Blake Transit Center. Continuing on Ellsworth, heading eastbound. Stop approaching. Crossing Gulf side. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Continuing eastbound on the westbound, inbound 6. Stop approaching. As the stop approaching, after this stop here, I'm going to make a right turn into the first driveway just beyond the car wash. And make a right turn into the Meyer Mall area. You make your right turn. You're going to go to the second stop sign. There is a stop at the first stop sign here on the right with the restaurant. Note to stop. You'll see our blue line bus shelter on the left side. Go through the stop sign, and you're going to make the left turn to our staging area here. This is a time point here at the Meyer stop. Continuing to the first stop sign, we're going to make a left turn at the first stop sign. And we're going to go through the first stop sign, making our right turn at the second stop sign back onto Ellsworth. Here at Ellsworth, we're going to make a right turn. Traffic light is Carpenter Road. We're going to continue straight forth on Ellsworth. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. After that stop, you want to get over in the left lane as you're coming up to the overpass over I-94. When you cross over I-94, you're going to be approaching Platte. The right lane becomes a turn lane. You're going to want the center lane to continue across Platte. So you got a little time, but you want to get over as safely and as soon as you can. Crossing Platte. Stop approaching. We're at Brayburn. This is a time point. See our blue shelter to the right. Stop approaching. We ask everyone to adhere to all of the Ann Arbor crosswalk rules. Whenever there is a pedestrian inside of a marked crosswalk, please yield the right of way to the said pedestrian. Stop approaching to the right. You will see the cutout, a blue line shelter. Up on Stone School. Stop to the right. Stop approaching. Next to the L3 Communications building. Coming up, Varsity Drive. Immediately after you cross the intersection, there is a stop. Railroad crossing approaching. Please exercise proper care and caution when crossing railroad tracks. Immediately after you cross the tracks, the next street you will turn on is Research Park Drive. First street to the right. And make your right turn. Right turn here. And to the right you have the Social Security Administration building. And just past that driveway there is a stop. At the stop sign, you're going to make a right turn and follow around Research Park Drive. Stop approaching. approaching. Continuing around Research Park Drive. This now turns into Airport Boulevard when you cross the light here at State Street. We're going to make a right turn here at South State. After we make our turn, there's a stop. The second stop is down at the U-Haul gas station to the left. Stop approaching. From here, there are no more stops on State Street. There won't be any more stops until after we made our left turn going into Briarwood. So we want to get over in the left lane as soon as we can, safely possible. We're going to make a left onto Briarwood Circle. We're going to use the Red Robin restaurant today as a point of reference. After you've cleared I-94 and passed through the second set of lights here, the very first left turn that you can make will take us into Briarwood Circle. Stand in the right of the two left turn lanes. Turn at the Red Robin. You'll be in between the Red Robin and the LA Fitness Health Club. There's a stop approaching on the right. After you've serviced this stop, we get over in the left lane. We're gonna make a left turn on the Briarwood Circle. There are no stops to service on Briarwood Circle on this side of the mall. Our next stop will be at our bus stop at our staging area near the JCPenney's. As we go around Briarwood Circle here, you'll notice that the lamp posts in the parking lot are all numbered. We're going to make our right turn down the aisle at pole mark number 33. Again, we're going to continue around. You'll see a couple of hotels come into view in just a moment. The very first hotel you see, the number 33 sign is just across from it. We're going to make our right turn into the aisle just in front of that pole. See, I'm number 2630. After number 30, and the next one is 33. Right about where this car is coming out. I'm gonna go past this car to the mile marker, the pole marker 33, and make our right turn. Say to the right of the pole. And we're gonna pull into our staging area. This staging area is a bus stop for the in and outbound 6, as well as the in and outbound 7. This stop is a time point marked Briarwood. From this stop, we're going to make a left turn at the JCPenney's. We're going to follow this back to Briarwood Circle. and make a right turn at the stop sign. At the stop sign, we're going to make a right turn. We're going to stay on Briarwood Circle until we reach Plaza Drive. At the stop sign that we're about to come to is Main Street. You want to continue through that stop sign. Approaching Main Street. There's a stop to service coming up on the right hand side. Note to stop. We're going to get over in our left hand lane. We're going to make a left turn at the next stop sign, which is Plaza Drive. Stop sign. There is a stop approaching on the right side just as you make your left turn. Then we're going to continue on. At the stop sign is Eisenhower. We'll make a right turn. Traffic light, we're at South State Street. We're going to continue on eastbound on Eisenhower. There's a stop approaching Wolverine Towers on our right side. This is our last serviceable stop on Eisenhower. As we approach Boardwalk, continue on Eisenhower. You want to get over to the left as soon as you can and cross Boardwalk. Our next traffic light is going to be Industrial Highway. We will make a left turn onto Industrial Highway. Our left onto Industrial. There's a stop approaching. Our next stop is the Blue Line Bus Shelter in front of the Ann Arbor Area Transit Authority. This stop serves as a time point here at AAATA. Continuing on Industrial. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. There's a Blue Line bus shelter coming up. Services the Woodbury Gardens community. Very popular destination on this bus line is number 6, Ellsworth. One more stop to service on the right-hand side. As we service this stop on the utility pole, you want to get over to the left as quickly as you can. And make a left turn onto Stimson. Mid-block, there is a stop approaching. Salvation Army Retail Centers to the left, very popular destination. Approaching South State Street, we're going to make a right-hand turn on the South State. Proceeding north on South State Street. It's a stop approaching. We share this piece of State Street with the Wolverine Tower Shuttle, number 36. On the left side, we're entering into the sports campus. You have the field hockey on the left. Stop approaching. You have the Al Glick Fieldhouse to the left. Just beyond that, newly renovated Beauchamp-Beckler Hall. Stop to the right. Yost Arena is on the left. Yost Ice Arena. Stop approaching. Our baseball and softball complexes is on the left. As we cross the light here at Hoover, the intramural building is on the left side. Approaching Packard as we make ready to enter into the central campus of the University of Michigan. Stop approaching. Crossing Hill Street. Please remember your Ann Arbor crosswalk rules while traveling through this high volume pedestrian traffic area. Stop approaching. Coming up at the stop, there is a bus stop on the other side of the intersection. On the left is the Michigan Union. This bus stop serves as a time point. The Michigan Union is a very popular destination here on campus. Stop approaching. Very busy and popular crosswalk here near the Union. Across East William Street. The next stop is just before the North University. Stop approaching. As you cross North University, you want to get over to the left lane Gonna make your left turn at the next light onto East Liberty Street. As you're coming in town, make certain that you prepare your entrance into the Blake Transit Center with whatever bus you're through routing with. There is a bus stop here at the stop sign. I am going to route my way as if I am remaining in number 6. Continuing on East Liberty. Crossing Thompson. Crossing Division. Stop approaching. That is the last stop that you will service before the mall at the BTC. Crossing 5th Avenue. The next light is 4th Avenue. We will make a left turn. Making our left onto 4th Avenue. You'll see the Blake Transit Center area approaching. Gonna make a left turn into the mall area. And this will conclude the inbound 6A and 6B from the Walmart time point to the Blake Transit Center.